singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Good morning, babies. So today I am doing a get ready with me for school. Today is the first day of school. Your girl's not ready. She was literally having like a panic attack over it last night. I wasn't supposed to be up yet. I set my alarm for 5:45 and a hoe woke up at like 5, so I like laid in bed for like 25 minutes and like went through my phone, texted my babes back, stuff like that, and now here I am at 5:39 getting ready to do my hair and my makeup. I pre-curled my hair yesterday so that it wouldn't take me an hour to do my hair today, so I'm just gonna like fix some of the pieces today and I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not sure how much makeup I want to put on yet either, but yeah, this is me getting ready for freshman year. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, I just finished my makeup. I went for like a everyday glam type of thing, kind of like I did like more beat skin, but just like mascara and a little bit of bronzer on my eyes. So this is like nothing crazy. But now I'm going to do the hair, so I'm just going to like recurl pieces and like re-hairspray and stuff like that. My makeup was a time lapse, which is probably what I'll do for my hair, but like I'm gonna speed them down so it's not like only 27 seconds of me doing my makeup. It's gonna be like a minute 20 something. I like just tested it, but yeah, my lips look super like red, and I don't know why they never look this red, but yeah. So I'm just gonna do my hair. It's currently 6:18. I definitely have plenty of time, so yeah. Okay, so for my outfit, I'm wearing this thrifted camo jacket, this gray tank top, these jeans I got from Forever 21, and I'm gonna wear my Adidas super But this outfit is pretty much like one that I wore in my outfits video, because this is like my favorite outfit, but I just changed the top because it was a little bit cropped. But yeah, so my necklace is from my mom and my earrings are from like Forever 21 or something like that. But that's the fit.